We'll guide you through how to clone a GitHub repository. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're going to go and hand over the video to Pausa.
In this video, we will guide you through how to clone a GitHub repository. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Cloning a GitHub repository means copying a project from GitHub to your local computer so you can work on it using Git. You can clone any repository whether it is your own project or someone else's public project. We need to have Git installed on your system. Git is the tool that connects your computer to GitHub. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome, and then just go ahead and search for Git and hit enter. Now just go ahead and go to the official website for Git, and here you will see install for your operating system. Just go ahead and click on that, and here you can select your operating system. Just click on this particular text to download the exe file for Git. So here you can see our download has been successfully started. So once downloaded, just navigate to your file explorer and then go inside the downloads folder, and here you should be able to see Git application. Just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. Just click on yes if prompted, and now just read through the public license and click on next, and here you can leave most of the options at default and click on next until you get the install button, and just go ahead and click on it. Now just wait for the Git to be installed on your device. So that you can just toggle off view release note and click on finish. And once that the Git is installed on our system, just go ahead and open any browser once again, and then just go ahead and go to github.com and make sure you are signed in with your account. And now here, open any repository that you want to clone. It can be your own project or other public repository that you want to work on or explore. So just go to your profile and go to repositories, and here you can select any repository. So let's say I want to clone this demo project, so I'll just click on it. And now once you are inside the repository, you'll see a drop down for code. Just go ahead and click on it. You'll see the https code. Just go ahead and click on copy URL to clipboard, and then once that it is copied, just open your file explorer once again and go to the folder where you want to store your project. So let's say I want to store it inside documents, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new folder by pressing Ctrl Shift and N key on the keyboard and name it something like cloning, and then just go ahead and hit enter and go inside the folder, and in the address bar just go ahead and click on it once, and then just go ahead and type cmd and hit enter to open command prompt in this particular folder. And once done, just go ahead and type git space clone space and press Ctrl V on a keyboard to paste the URL that we copied, and then just go ahead and hit enter. Now you'll see it is cloning the project, and Git will now download the entire repository on your system. Once the process is complete, just go ahead and navigate to the folder, and here you can see inside the cloning folder a demo project folder has been successfully created, and inside of it there are all of the files that we wanted to clone.